So I just opened my package of Iberico. Has one set of big ribs and then a couple sets of smaller ribs, which probably are part of the trim. Anyway, I'm gonna start putting this together right now. I've got my grill set at 250 degrees. So I got my grill set, and then on this side, I have a searer because we're gonna eat hamburgers before we finish this. So that'll give us an option to do both. It's already preheated at 250 degrees, and I'm gonna start rubbing all this on right now. So we got one side done, and I'm going to prepare the second side now. Right now, they're ready to go in the oven. I'm actually gonna let them sit here for about 10 or 15 minutes outside in the sun, just so that the spice will penetrate and they'll sweat just a little bit. So I forgot, we're gonna do turkey burgers today too. So when I've got the ribs over there, I got the turkey burgers on this side, on the searing side. And these beautiful, I wasn't gonna open it, but somebody wanted hamburgers, so. Well, it's off the grill and we're about to eat, and I'm telling you, it looks good, it smells good, and wish you were here. This is the Iberian pork fed acorns, and it is beautiful.